everyone, this is IMTEX 2023 and here I am with Mr. Deepak Sharma from Golden. So sir, can you tell us a bit about Golden?
Yeah, Golden Precision Products Pvt Ltd is a around 40-year-old company, and we are in a machine tools, textiles, packaging, material handling equipment, etc. And our product has to be used all over the India, and we are exporting as well.
Okay. So sir, what do you have? Any expectations for the Indian manufacturing industry?
Yeah, at the moment this Indian manufacturing machines tools is going up because a lot of units are coming, new owners are collaborating in India. So hopefully there is a lot of scope in the Indian Manufacturing Association at the moment.
So sir, what have you brought here at IMTEX today for us to see?
Yeah, here is a different type of servo motor brakes are here that is specially for here. Now what happened, the servo motor brakes, the company are providing in the entire units. So brake is, they are not giving separately. So that they can save the cost of the having a brake with us.
So sir, I hope you have a great year at IMTEX.
Yeah, as of now it's going good. Hopefully we have a more good customer will come.
Yes sir. Thank you so much sir. Thank you sir.